All right, behind me, I have a 2023 Prevost Marathon, coach number 1369. I'm gonna flip the camera around so you guys can see this. But this is a beautiful motor coach. You'll have to forgive us, we're a little crammed in here right now, but this is stored inside. A beautiful coach in great condition. The intent of this video is to just do a quick flyover of the exterior, a quick flyover of the interior, and then as always, if you have any additional questions, feel free to give us a call. Happy to help. So right now, again, tight on space, so I'm gonna do the best I can to give you an idea, but this is a great motor coach in really good condition with a really cool paint job here. The slide outs are out on the driver's side. It has two slide outs on the exterior, but you can kind of see the paint here. Again, a really good paint scheme. No real blemishes in the paint. It is very well kept. And then if I flip it around, you get a better feel for that. Again, you're catching a little bit of the lighting, so I do apologize about this, but a great coach nonetheless. And I keep working around over to the passenger side as well. I opened up a couple of bays on this side so you can get a sense for the storage. So it's got a bay for the storage that goes all the way through to the other side. So a lot of space in here. Again, another big bay with storage in here as well. And then you've got the entertainment bay with the flat screen TV that does rotate out. Of course, it has the iPad system with the Crestron. Again, I'm even tighter on this side, so I'll kind of zoom back to give you an overall look. But you can see the condition of the coach is in really good shape. Make my way inside. So great floor plan. This is an X model, so it has two slide outs on the driver's side. Right now, again, those are opened up so you can see the seating. So a lot of seating up here in the front area. You've got the couch that pulls out into a bed. You've got the L-shaped dinette and that extends, and so that creates even extra seating around that. So a really good setup. I'll show you the front of the coach, the cockpit area here real quick too. So big size kitchen area right here with a lot of countertop space. They do a really good job with that. You've got the microwave convection oven that's hidden behind here. You have panels for the burner right here. So it just creates a lot of space. You've got the bunk beds. These are adjustable bunk beds. This converts into a closet as well. You can see the bar. The bar pulls down, push of a button over here on the panel, and then these bunk beds stack, and then you can convert that into a closet, but a really versatile coach and layout. You've got the full bathroom here in the middle, and a really good size shower inside. I'm 6 feet tall, and you have a lot of headroom still even with that. You got a king size bed here in the rear, and then you got a really big walk-in closet with the washer and dryer in here as well. So a lot of space, a lot of storage, really great layout. So again, if you have any interest in this coach, please let us know. Be happy to help any way that we can.